Hello my beautiful friends, it's Gensara here from my mom's office. Welcome to this video where I am going to show you today how to create a digital business card. You have a business but you don't have a business card yet? Or maybe you do have it. You maybe have some printed ones at your office desk or at home but didn't have one when you needed it. We are going to fix this today. As in this video, you will learn how simple it is to create a digital business card, and more importantly, for free. Why do you need a digital business card? You can always have one with you, easy to share directly from your phone in just one click. Reaching out to bigger audience by sharing the card in many ways, like WhatsApp, Messenger, email, social media, etc. Time-saving, customizable, and ready-to-use templates to create your business card. Add more information to your card by inserting clickable links that direct the audience to your website or other social accounts. You can even add a video to your digital business card. Last but not least, if like me you care for the environment, you will have an eco-friendly business card, thus promoting your business as green. Now that you know the benefits of it, let me show you how to create a digital business card for free, meaning that you do not have to spend any money creating it. To create a digital business card, first you will need a digital tool, and among many alternatives you can find on the internet, the tool we are going to use in this case is Canva. So, after setting up your account on canva.com on your PC, when at the home page, click on Create Design, the big blue button on the upper right corner of the screen. A search box will pop up where you can choose many among templates. Search for the business card and choose the desired template offered. As you can see, Canva offers a lot of templates for business cards to use for free. Go on and choose the one you like the most. So for this presentation, we'll be picking the first one available. After you choose a template, you can edit it by keeping its preset background, or you can delete it if you like, in case you prefer to insert a background of your own, which is what we are going to do in this case. You can select among many other photos and backgrounds that Canva offers for free, or you can upload another from your device. After uploading your own chosen background to Canva, you select it and have it appear on your business card template. You can arrange it as you like, considering all directions. Please note that you can even opt for multiple backgrounds appearing on your template. After setting up the background, you'll have to add some text to the template, like writing the business name by using the drag and drop feature. Click the text feature available on the left panel of the screen and place it wherever you want on the template. Here you can choose between several preset text templates, or you can customize your own text by selecting between the options of heading, subheading, and body text, depending on the purpose you are using them. Besides customizing the written text to your fit, you can also opt to change its font type and size, color, alignment, spacing, effects, and others if you like, which you will find on the tab above your working template. In our template, we are going to add a heading text and set the business name and place it on top of the picture. We'll repeat the same actions again and create what's known as a call to action in order to send a message to potential clients. Also, we will use some subheading text to add the website address, email address, and the business Instagram page. Mine in this case, of course. To make it look better, you can put the email and Instagram icons on the side of the respective texts. In order to find these icons and more, we'll go to the Elements feature. Search for mail and Instagram icons and choose between many available options. After selecting the desired icons, you can customize their size and color too. Now we'll lastly add a website address into the template, and then I'm going to show you one important step to follow next. Since we are creating a digital business card, we need to make it available at once by presenting it through our mobile. For the interested party to access your business webpage at once, I'll show you how to add a link and make these addresses on the digital business card clickable. We will first select the text of the Instagram address on the template and then click on the link icon found in the three dots tab above the template. We will then copy the URL address we want to link from my Instagram profile in this case and paste it on the link box we opened before. Then we will click the apply button and it's all done. After linking the Instagram account, we'll do the same with the web address, yet of my website in this case. After finishing this step, both the Instagram account and the website have become clickable links. Now I am going to show you how to add a QR code to your business card and present it as a website also. Before I tell you these important tricks, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. As you know, this is needed for YouTube to do its thing. We'll create a QR code and link it to the business card. So we'll start by clicking on the three dots on the top right corner of the main tab and search for website. Select the open website button at the end of the opened box, and this will allow for another web window to open up. We will copy the URL, then go back to Canva. On the left bar menu, scrolling to the bottom, in the More option, we'll find and then click on the QR code feature. We'll paste in the opened URL box the same URL copied from the business card website created before, and then we'll click on Generate Code. Afterward, the generated QR code you can put wherever you want on the digital business card. If you want your digital website business card to have more than one side of information, you can simply add another page. As the last step, we'll save the created digital business card in the PNG format to save space and keep the picture quality at the same time. A quick tip here, I saved this created card in a designated folder on my phone, which I named business cards, and I can access it quickly. So when meeting someone, if I want to hand the business card, I'll open the designated folder on my mobile and have the other person scan the QR code. This way, anyone interested in your business will have your business card on their phone just within seconds. Now that you have a business card always ready on your phone, you can feel secure that you left nothing behind when presenting your business. You can even print it if you'll ever need a printed version. That's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching and have a beautiful day.